Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a Fiverr gig for video editing. If you're looking to start offering your video editing services on Fiverr, this guide will walk you through the entire setup process, making it easy to get your gig live and ready to attract clients. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Fiverr dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing business on the platform. Now look at the top menu of your screen. You'll see an option labeled My Business. Click on it, and from the drop-down that appears, select Gigs. This will take you to a page where you can view all your existing gigs or create new ones. Managing your gigs from this section gives you complete control over your service offerings. In the right panel of the Gigs page, you'll notice a button that says Create a New Gig. Click on this button to begin the process of setting up your video editing gig. This is where you'll start building your service from scratch, so take your time with each step to ensure everything is set up correctly. The first thing you'll need to do is enter your gig title. This is crucial because your title is what potential clients will see first, so make it clear, specific, and appealing. Something like professional video editing for YouTube or cinematic video editing services works well because it tells people exactly what you're offering. Next, you'll need to select your category. Click on the drop-down menu and choose Video and Animation. This categorizes your gig properly so it appears in the right search results when clients are looking for video services. Right beside this, there's another drop-down menu for your subcategory. Click on it and select Video Editing. This further narrows down your service type and helps Fiverr connect you with the right audience. After setting your category, you'll be prompted to select your gig metadata. This includes additional details that help define your service more precisely. Take a moment to review the options and choose the ones that best describe what you're offering. Now look for the section labeled Search Tags. This is where you'll add keywords that make your gig discoverable. Type relevant terms like video editing, video editor, YouTube editing, or any other keywords related to your service into the designated field, then press Enter after each one. These tags are incredibly important because they help your gig show up when potential clients search for those specific terms. Once you've added your search tags, click Save and Continue. This will move you to the next section of the gig creation process. From here, you'll need to continue filling out all the required information. This includes setting your pricing, writing a detailed description of your services, specifying any requirements you need from buyers, and uploading samples to your gallery. Take your time with each section, as providing complete and professional information increases your chances of attracting clients. As you work through each section, you'll eventually reach the Publish section. This is the final step. Once you're confident that everything is filled out correctly and your gig looks professional, click Publish Gig. Your video editing gig is now live on Fiverr and ready to start receiving orders. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Fiverr gig for video editing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.